here we go.
He's going down third.
We're going in. Another one.
Go on. Get in
I'm down there. Whoa, 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 whoa. Come back to you. Okay, we go in. We're in.
Come on, look it. Ready?
Go on, somebody. Set yourself round.
Oh no. Oh, there's a foot thing there. There's a foot thing here. That is moving there.
There's little lips, that's it. Little lips, that's it, like, yeah. Hold on to the rope as well. Now put your left leg onto the scaffold pole. Yeah.
That one.
That's it.
Go down here left side. Oh shit, on it.
Had a goof naglog. Okay.
Okay, now.
Oh. Right. Let's go. Find the bats.
The bat.
Yep, the bats.
Okay. He's definitely on the bottom.
I'm going this way.
Why did you do it first? I just got it. There's can't be in here.
There it is, mate. Christmas cave.
Bit weird. For my house.
That goes on very tight squeezes. This is good down here.
Oh, I'll go down there. Go down.
Well, the lads keep all the buckets. And the trolley there.
You start digging.
I haven't been all the way down here. I'd be careful because it's dangerous and watch the bats.
Yeah.
Turn my light down a little bit.
I like it's all the way down.
Loose boulders up there. Another shaft. The bat just there in the walls. Be careful.
Can we climb up that?
I don't know where it goes. I've never been up there. The bat there. Be careful.
How are we going to get past it? Dad. You made it move.
Alright, come on.
We need to get ready to pounce on it.
There's loads of them.
Oh no. I don't like this.
Oh no.
Oh, shit.
Never been down this way.
Oh no.
Oh my god.
Was this like this?
I haven't been down here.
It's a new part.
Yeah. It's a dead end.
So this where they're digging then?
Okay.
We have an internet.
Yeah, down here, yeah.
Yeah.
Loads.
Yeah, we're cool. Let's do this then. My shoes are quite interesting. I'm trying not to.
Right.
Oh, I think half of it.
Loose boulders above.
The engine's just right up there. How am I not gonna
That's up there.
big like
Oh, another bat there.
squeeze? Like, oh.
Oh,
Yeah, a big one.
whole place is a squeeze, mate.
It's not a squeeze, but like it's a big hole.
Look at that
Keep
there.
this.
Bats everywhere.
I don't know if it's fun. You coming through? What?
I haven't been this way through, I've been the other way. This is a doddle for him.
What?
It's a doddle for you, this. You might find some Santa beards in here last time we were here. Oh, my head. Oh, what have they done? Yes.
Oh my God.
Someone came.
Oh, I'm gonna get wet. You know, he's having a hard time. Oh, not perfect time. You coming further?
Well, yeah, I want to get to the big bit over there.
Two ways. Which way is Tanya? I'm going both ways. I can flip this way. What's that way?
Can't remember.
Want to go check?
I don't think it's that way.
I want to go check. I'll just put my drink here. I'll go check. No, it's not. No one's going to fit through that, so it's not.
It's definitely that way, there's a big wall. Not very safe, that, is it?
Oh, wow, I'm going to get wet, aren't I?
How's that the water?
Yeah. There's a lot of water.
Mate, this isn't even worst of it, honestly. You need full-on waterproofs to do the lot. Go on.
Oh, wet then I'll go through it.
Your boxies get wet, everything gets wet.
I'm not getting wet.
Get lost, because I can't do that.
What, go on your feet? Like bend your neck
Not
down?
drying what it was, like I was flooded near all the way.
What, there?
Yeah.
Well,
Guys, there is fresh air down there, we don't need gas analyzers. I have been here before, so
I haven't.
I'm just showing them
There's that.
little bits of it. And we'll come back with our overall carrier. I don't want to get wet.
I'm using my brake option. Yeah, I'm using my brake. Come on. See the end of that? Oh, it's right there.
Just come through that bit. Look at all this. You farted. You have, it stinks.
Oh, shit, that.
Where? Oh yeah.
Right down here.
Alright, just don't disturb it and don't shine your light on it.
Fine, I'll turn my...
Oh God, I'm filthy. Whoa, another bat. Right by me.
I walked right past him. Good, I didn't know. I nearly bumped into him. I think my drink's a bit dirty.
I gotta just sort me out.
Do we keep going?
Yeah, till the drop.
Oh, so go to the drop and down.
No, it's up.
What's it?
We're not going up it though.
Yeah. That one in?
Bat there.
Okay, this up out when I have to roll.
Cutie.
I want to go up it though. Okay. You know the opposite side. I'm nice and good off.
You found it?
Yeah, found it.
Go for that.
I want to go up it. But I want to go.
Is the rope still there?
Yeah?
I'm not going to film this on the way out, guys. I'll take a few pictures. Found no Santa beard yet. Just wait. It's hard work. Need a hand jammer, mate. Oh, it looks like a big smiley face, look. And that's for next time.
I'm gonna go up it. Oh, look at that, I got 3 now. There's some way in.
Was it a dead end?
No, it's a straight down drop.
Oh.
If I speed. Echo! I'll take a video. Right, I'm just going for.
Mind don't lose your helmet, mate. Put the strap over your chin.
Alright, right on the phone.
Recording, don't forget your phone, you drink.
Alright.
Passageway here.
Oh, my elbows hurt though. After that, big rolling. Hello, mate. Oh no. Oh god. I gotta go. I don't have to crawl. What was this used to say? Sign?
Which?
What this sign used to say here?
Don't know.
I reckon it used to say danger. What's your head, mate? It frozen like a pancake.
That's it for now. We will come back. I need some waterproof overalls. Alright, come on, mate.
Oh god. Feels harder to get up.
Out we go.
Fucker. How do you get it?
There's a little hole on your left to put your hand in or your foot. Yeah, you got it?
Yeah. With spiders in. My hand's on it. Wait. Don't go on it.
Attacked by spiders. Ah, there's one on my head. Go away.
Alright, you good?
Gordon?
Yeah.
Oh, fresh air. Yeah.
Can I shut you in?
Are you recording?
Yeah.
What shame are you doing? Back up a bit.
He's locked in there.
Keep it rolling.
I am.
Back.